Hello, this is your channel messages for the 15th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. We are going straight into your reading, Leo. We are not itching at all. Let's go. First card out, Leo, is a Two of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting you want to talk to somebody. You might be in separation right now. If you're not in separation, I see that you need to have a heart-to-heart conversation. It could be with a Pisces. Is it that you want to talk to somebody about starting a relationship, rekindling a relationship, or what are we now? We have the Eight of Cups. You also want to talk to somebody about the fact that you had a drinking problem that may have weighed heavily on the relationship, okay? We have the Seven of Swords. Me getting the drinking also led to theft, okay? So somebody, your boyfriend, your girlfriend might have stolen from you, money missing, you couldn't find shit in your house. Me getting them going to admit that they were stealing shit. Maybe to fund them alcoholic behavior. Okay, we have the Three of Cups, yeah. Somebody might have also had a sex addiction. Me getting them would get drunk, go in them car, and then me don't know if them fucking prostitutes or them fucking girls on Facebook, or me don't know what the fuck them I do. But me getting a lot of girls. Me getting all of these girls you rob. So me getting you tell somebody, baby, don't feel bad. I robbed all the women I was fucking and pretending I loved. Me getting a whole lot of girls I rob. Every girl we ever have sex with, you rob them. I don't know if you're robbing identity from them or if you had them phone, but me getting every girl you rob. So you had a sex addiction, you had an alcohol addiction, and you are a scammer, okay? Ace of Cups. And you want somebody to know this because you want to tell them the truth, because you believe that the truth will set you free, okay? The Emperor just fall out, okay? Maybe you spoke to your father, you spoke to somebody about this and him say, listen, you can't fix, you can't repair it, but you at least you owe the person the truth. So I'm getting the Emperor said to tell the person the truth if you love them. If them love you, then they will accept you. I'm getting. Yeah, we have the Empress. Now there could also be something about a woman and another baby in the picture. Somebody had a baby on you, or somebody had a baby since the time that you were there. Or me getting somebody saying them wish them had a baby with you. Maybe somebody wants a baby with you now, so that's why them come back and I tell you all of this, okay? Or somebody grown up. Yeah, we also have a Devil card. Yeah, we getting somebody a bumbo clock. Yeah, scammer. You are a scammer slash thief slash hacker. Me don't know what you is, but we getting a blood clot scammer. Me don't know, you gotta tell somebody something. I'm getting a scam out how much people you gonna give this girl all of the money where you scam people from. After you give her, you gonna tell her, hey, listen, I have a drinking problem and a sex addiction. I used to scam a rob girl, but I get here some money here. Me getting was really bad. This is beyond therapy. Me getting it really bad. Me getting it coming like the only way you come out of this lifestyle is if you're dead. Me getting really bad, man. Like, me getting so much robbery, so much forgery, so much God. Me getting you have access to everybody's shit. Me getting a conversation about the reason why you never want somebody to have a phone. Something like that. Like me get every girl you meet up with, you hat them shit. And you have them phone thing. Me getting that's the reason you never want this specific woman to have a phone. Or something like that. Me getting the one where you didn't love, you never make sure you have no phone. But the one where you never love, you go out with them, you fuck them. I don't know what you do with them, you party with them. But me getting you rob these girls. Me getting whatever you do for work, you thief people information, you hack them phones. It's something about Bluetooth, I don't know what you do. But me getting you want to come back and tell this woman, no, the Emperor and the Empress is here, which is counterparts. So maybe you grew up from the last time somebody see you, no one is this. Now I don't know if you're ready to have kids, somebody already has kids, or I'm getting kids are in the picture now, somebody really serious to end them life with you. But me getting them need to tell you something to set themselves free, okay? So porn addiction is one, drinking is one, and me getting somebody is a blood clot scammer. Me getting them is a hacker, big hacker. Yeah, fake business, big hacker. Program, yeah, them code. Larceny, bra. Hello. Hi. You see Melania Trump is Melania. Hello. She's selling NFTs. Great for her. Cleanse your space and one night stand. I was just fucking these hoes. I was gonna be right back. No, the fuck you weren't. No, you weren't. No, I ain't buying it. Talking about you wanna come back. Talking about you going through financial distress. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.